Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap, okay? And in the last class, you know what we have discussed? Does anyone remember? Let me tell you, we have discussed the concept of same and different. Same and different. Do you all remember what is same and what is different? Hmm. Do revise the chapters, okay? And our today's chapter is big and small. Big and small. I want you everyone to do the action with me. Come on everyone, take your hands like this and do the action with me. Big and small. Big and small. This is the big size and this is the small size. Now, can you tell me the biggest animal you remember? I remember a biggest animal, that is an elephant. Is it right? Okay. So an elephant is the biggest animal. And can you tell me the smallest one? The smallest one. I remember an ant. So, have you seen an ant? It is this small, okay? That's the smallest thing, okay? So, elephant is big, but the ant is small. Big, small, okay? And that is all about our today's class, big and small. Okay, so I will give you one more example. What do I have? Baskets. I have baskets which is red in color. These baskets are in red in color. This basket is big. This basket is big. But this basket is small, right? This basket is small. This is big. This is small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Now, can you see here? This is a fish. This is a fish. And then we have another fish here, over here. So, the big fish is saying, I am big. This fish is saying, I am big. And this fish is saying, I am small. I'm small. Okay. So, this fish is big and this fish is small. Big fish, small fish, big fish, small fish. Okay, now we have the activity to do. Take that they are big. You have to tick over which are big in size and cross that are small. Okay, you have to tick on the block which is big and cross on that which is small. So, look here, it's an elephant and this is rat. Elephant, rat. Can you tell me which one is the biggest? Elephant or rat? I think elephant is big. So, we will put a tick mark on elephant and a cross on the rat. Tick mark on elephant and cross on rat. Okay. Now what is this? It's a cycle. It's a bicycle. And it's a bus. It's a school bus. Okay. So which vehicle is big and which vehicle is small? Can you tell me? I think this bus is big and this bicycle is small. Okay. So we'll put tick mark on the bus and a cross on the bicycle. Now next one is a mango and a watermelon. This is a watermelon and it's a mango. And do you know both are fruits of summer. Both we eat in summer season. Okay. So watermelon is green in color and watermelon is big. But mango is small. Mango is small. Mango is yellow in color and mango is smaller than watermelon. So we will put a tick mark on watermelon and a cross on mango. Okay. So that was the concept of big and small. Now tell me, what do I have? It's a bag. It's a bag that your mother used. Okay. So this bag is big, but this bag is small. Can you see the difference? It's a big bag and this bag is small. Big, small, big, small. Okay. So that was all about big and small. I hope you have understood that today's topic. Now you will practice this concept at your home with your mother. Okay. Now see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.